Hi guys, this is the final part of the dihybrid cross tutorial. Previously, we went over two different dihybrid crosses, and we found out that those two crosses produce offspring that are all yellow and smooth. So we did the second cross in video number 2 because we wanted to see if any of their offspring would be any different from the color yellow and the smooth textures. So we changed the composition of the genotypes. What I want to do in this final cross is to take a couple of genotypes from the F1 of the previous crosses and make a cross between them. So we're going to take one genotype, one F1 here, from the first video. And we're going to cross that with another F1 or genotype here from the other cross which we did in the second video. The idea is to find out whether we're going to get the offspring to have the phenotype that is other than yellow and smooth. For example, an F1 that is green or wrinkled. So then what we've got is this. An F1 crossed with another F1. Following the same method as the last two videos, the first step to making a dihybrid cross is to split the genotype up like so. To produce something called the haploid sets. Apply the same process for this other F1. The second step is to fill in the boxes. So what we've got here in the first one here is big G, and big W, big W. Now let's fill in the rest of the boxes, and we're going to see what kind of phenotype each one of these boxes give off. The first one here is yellow and smooth because of the uppercase letter G and W. The second box here is also yellow and smooth. The third one is yellow and smooth. The fourth one is yellow and smooth. The fifth one is yellow and smooth. The sixth, it's going to be yellow, but it's going to be wrinkled because of the lowercase letter W. The seventh, yellow and smooth. The eighth, yellow again and wrinkled. The ninth, yellow and smooth. The 10th, yellow and smooth. The 11th, this one is going to be green and smooth. It's green because it's got the lowercase letter G in pair. The 12th one here is also green and smooth. The 13th box is yellow and smooth. The 14th box is yellow and wrinkled. The 15th box is green and smooth. Lastly, the 16th is green and wrinkled. So finally, we get something different in this particular dihybrid cross. We've got a diversity of phenotypes, which are yellow and smooth, yellow and wrinkled, green and smooth, and lastly, green and wrinkled. Each of these phenotypes are essentially a possibility that each offspring in this dihybrid cross will inherit.